If you're choosing between ServiceNow and HubSpot Service Hub for your help desk software, you probably want to know which one is actually the best. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer, and I'll even show you an alternative that might be a better fit. Let's start with ServiceNow. It's an enterprise-level IT service management solution, and it's powerful. If you're running a large organization with complex workflows, ServiceNow gives you deep automation, AI-driven insights, and serious customization. But here's the catch: it's not cheap, and it's not simple. Setup requires a lot of time, training, and IT resources. Small and mid-sized businesses might find it overwhelming and too expensive for what they actually need. Next, HubSpot Service Hub. Unlike ServiceNow, this is designed more for customer service teams rather than IT departments. It's user-friendly, integrates seamlessly with the HubSpot CRM, and has automation tools to streamline support. But, and this is a big but, its best features are locked behind higher-tier plans. If you're on a budget, you'll hit limitations fast. Plus, while it's great within the HubSpot ecosystem, it doesn't have the same level of deep IT service management as ServiceNow. Another key difference: scalability. ServiceNow is built for massive enterprises handling thousands of tickets across different departments. HubSpot, on the other hand, is better suited for growing customer support teams that need efficiency without the complexity of IDSM. If you're running a help desk for customer inquiries, HubSpot makes more sense. But if your business has intricate IT processes, ServiceNow wins. Pricing is another major factor. ServiceNow doesn't display pricing upfront because it's highly customized, but expect enterprise-level costs. HubSpot, while more transparent, quickly gets expensive if you need advanced automation and reporting. Both can get pricey, but ServiceNow is in a different league when it comes to total cost of ownership. Finally, ease of use. HubSpot is far easier to get started with, especially if you're already using HubSpot's ecosystem. ServiceNow, on the other hand, is more complex but allows deeper workflow automation for those who need it. So, which is the best help desk software? It depends. If you're an enterprise that needs advanced ITSM features, ServiceNow is your best bet. If you're a customer support team that wants an easy-to-use platform with strong CRM integration, HubSpot Service Hub is the way to go. But after trying all of them myself, if you're looking for a help desk solution that's powerful yet simple, without the pricing headaches or steep learning curve, there's an even better alternative. Check out the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial with extra benefits only available to our viewers. See for yourself why so many businesses are making a switch.